Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 87, question number 1. Minsk is the capital of Belarus. Minsk is the capital of Belarus. Baht is the currency of Thailand. BAHT, Baht is the currency of Thailand. Currency note was first used in China. Johor Strait is situated between Malaysia and Singapore. Johor Strait is situated between Malaysia and Singapore. Malacca Strait situated between Malaysia and Indonesia. Malacca Strait situated between Malaysia and Indonesia, while Johor Strait situated between Malaysia and Singapore. Karakoram Desert is located in Turkmenistan. Karakoram Desert is located in Turkmenistan. Fleet Street is famous for newspaper. Fleet Street is famous for newspaper. Skandar-e-Azam belong to Macedonia. Skandar-e-Azam, the great Alexander, is belong to Macedonia. Philately is the science of stamp collection. Philately is the science of stamp collection. Smallest country of the world is the Vatican City. How many kgs in 1 metric ton? There are 1000 kgs in 1 metric ton. 1 square foot is equal to 144 square inches. 1 square foot is equal to 144 square inches. Hydrometer is used for measurement of specific gravity of liquid. Hydrometer is used for measurement of specific gravity of liquid. Which vitamin easily prepared in a body? That is vitamin D. Scurvy is due to lack of vitamin C. Scurvy is a skin infection that is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Who participated in all the 3 sessions of the Round Table Conference 1930, 31 और 32? That is Begum Jahan Ara Shah Nawaz. Begum Jahan Ara Shah Nawaz, while Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar died in a second Round Table Conference and he was buried in Jerusalem. George Washington was succeeded by John Adam. Horticulture is the cultivation of flowers and fruits. Next one, world oldest parliament is the Antling of Iceland. The world oldest parliament is of Antling of Iceland. Iceland का सबसे पुराना parliament है. Seattle is a seaport of USA. Seattle, SEATTLE. Seattle is a seaport of USA. Land of midnight sun is Norway, while land of rising sun is Japan. Land of free people is Thailand. The lowest rainfall area in Pakistan is Nokundi. Nokundi. The lowest rainfall area in Pakistan, that is Nokundi, while the highest rainfall area in Pakistan is Murray. Interfax is the news agency of Russia. Interfax is the news agency of Russia. Heathrow is a seaport of London. Heathrow is a seaport of London. Agro-based industry is poultry, fishery and livestock. Agro-based industry is a poultry, fishery and livestock. Stonehenge is England. Stonehenge is in the 7th wonder of the world, that is in England. Largest producer of uranium is Canada. The largest producer of uranium is Canada. Nikkei is the stock exchange of Tokyo. Which country is situated below the sea level? That is Netherlands. Sharm el-Sheikh is a seaport situated on Red Sea. Sharm el-Sheikh is a seaport situated on Red Sea. Wheel is a symbol of progress. Who was the painter of Mona Lisa? That is Leonardo da Vinci. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Which of the following gas used in fire extinguisher? That is carbon dioxide. Ghulam Muhammad Biraj is on Darya Sindh, Indus River. Ghulam Muhammad Biraj is on Indus River. Had Murala is on Chenab. Nizai Sultana is an extinct volcano located in Chagi district, Balochistan, have a deep resource of sulfur. Chagi district, Nizai Sultana is an extinct volcano located in Chagi district, Balochistan, have a deep resource of sulfur. National Senior Citizen Day is observed on 21st August. National Senior Day is celebrated every year on 21st August. In which sea Cyprus present, that is Mediterranean? In which sea, CYPRUS, Cyprus present, that is in Mediterranean Sea? Yellow Sea is situated between China and Korea. Yellow Sea is situated between China and Korea. In which constitution Islam was declared religion of state? That is Constitution of 1973. Which color phosphorus used in matches? That is a red phosphorus. Which gas is used in electric bulb? That is argon. Which gas is used in electric bulb? That is argon. Oldest known element is copper. Oldest known element is copper. Which type of carbon used in a lead pencil? That is graphite. Basic component of all acid is hydrogen. Artificial silk is called rayon. RAYON. Artificial silk is called rayon. Basic component of wood is paper. The basic component of wood is paper. Darwin Port is in Australia. Darwin Port is in Australia. Bar is a unit of pressure. Bar is the unit of pressure. Salisbury is the old name of Harare. Lion is the emblem of Sri Lanka. Lion is the emblem of Sri Lanka. Temple Tree House is the official residence of Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Temple Tree is an official residence of Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Ping pong is the name of which game? That is table tennis. Ping pong is the name of table tennis game. Normal heartbeat of adult is 72 to 80 times. Which gas is lightest? That is hydrogen. The important impact of inflation is that decrease the value of करेंसी. इन्फ्लेशन जब पड़ती है तो क्या होता है कि करेंसी की वैल्यू जो है वो कम होती है. स्मॉलेस्ट ओशन इज आर्कटिक ओशन वाइल लार्जेस्ट और डीपेस्ट ओशन इज पैसिफिक ओशन. लॉन्गेस्ट लैंड बाउंड्री बिटवीन कंट्रीज एट यूएसए एंड कनाडा. Cortes is the parliament of Spain. Cortes. Cortes is the parliament of Spain. How many times the word zakat is in Quran? That is 82 times. How many times the word zakat with namaz? That is for 32 times. 7th month of Islamic calendar, that is Rajab. When the complete order among zakat announced, that is 9 Hijra. When the complete order among zakat announced at 9 हिजरी और 2 हिजरी में ज़कात मुकम्मल तौर पर फ़र्ज हो गई थी. शरिया अनाउंस्ड हाउ मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल आर एबल टू गेट ज़कात? दैट इज़ 8. शरिया अनाउंस्ड हाउ मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल आर एबल टू गेट ज़कात? दैट इज़ 8. इन विच सूरा द ऑर्डर ऑफ ज़कात डिस्क्राइब्ड? दैट इज़ सूरह तौबा आयत नंबर 60. 4 क्लासेस ऑफ ज़कात प्रेयर, दैट इज़ मेटल, ट्रेडिंग गुड्स, एनिमल्स एंड एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स. 4 क्लासेस ऑफ ज़कात प्रेयर आर: फर्स्ट मेटल, number 2 trading goods, number 3 animals, and number 4 agriculture products. Who is the writer of Kitabul Khiraj? Who is the writer of Kitabul Khiraj? That is Imam Abu Yusuf. The writer of Kitabul Khiraj is Imam Abu Yusuf. Zakat right from Tazkiyah, meaning to purify. The time period of Tahsil committee member is 3 years. The time period of Tahsil committee member is for 3 years. Who wrote हयात जावेद? That is हाली. ठीक है, अल्ताफ़ हुसैन हाली ने हयात जावेद लिखी. इसमें जिक्र किया गया उनके सर सैयद अहमद खान की सवानी उमरी का. डिस्ट्रिक्ट ज़कात कमेटी क्रिएटेड अंडर द सेक्शन ऑफ 16. डिस्ट्रिक्ट ज़कात कमेटी क्रिएटेड अंडर विच सेक्शन? दैट इज 16. Who manage the account of Federal Zakat Council? That is Administrative General. Who manage the account of Federal Zakat Council? That is Administrative General. Auditor General gives his report to Parliament. Auditor General gives his report to Parliament. Total number of local committee is 9. Total numbers of local committee is 9. When Zakat ordinance was promulgated? That is 20 जून 1980 को. ठीक है, 20 जून 1980 को Zakat and Usher ordinance was promulgated. Zakat is applicable on how many goods? That is 40. On the Usher of artificial land is 1/20. The usher of artificial land is 1/20, while the usher of natural land is 1/10. ठीक है. Criteria of chairman of Central Council is ex or in service judge of Supreme Court. The criteria of chairman of Central Court is that ex or in service judge of Supreme Court. Okay. How many women member in Federal Council? There are 2 women member in the Federal Council, and each of is the almost necessary that he is above the age of 45. Administrative General is also Secretary of Religious Affairs. Administrative General is also Secretary of Religious Affairs. Which people cannot get zakat? That is parent and children. Which people cannot get zakat? That is parents and children. Who appoints district chairman? That is provisional council. Who appoints district chairman? That is by provisional council. The people who collect zakat are called amilin. The people who collect zakat are called amilin. Mutafikkil Qulub are new and needy Muslims. Mutafikkil Qulub are the people who are new and needy Muslims. What is meaning of D-Day? D-Day means day upon which some significant event will occur or has occurred. What is meant by D-Day? Day upon which some significant event will occur or has occurred. दोबारा सुने. What meaning of D-Day? D-Day, the day upon which some significant event will occur or has occurred. Okay. Next one, which is the airline of Sri Lanka? That is Air Lanka. Okay. Air Lanka जो है ये श्रीलंका की एक एयरलाइन का नेम है. What does IPP stands for? IPP stand Independent Power Products. Independent Power Producers. दोबारा सुने. What does IPP stands for? It stands Independent Power Producer. Who translated Israr Khudi? That is R.A. Nicholson. दोबारा सुनने. Who translated Israr Khudi? That is R.A. Nicholson. Which element is named after the country Cyprus? That is copper. Which element is named after the country Cyprus? That is copper. Which one of the following is a great circle? That is the equator. Which one of the following is a great circle? That is the equator. total period of Abbasi Khalifa is 508 years, and the total number of Khalifa that are take place on Abbasi Hukumat वो थे 35. Okay. Civil Defence Academy of Pakistan was established in 1958. Civil Defence Academy of Pakistan was established in 1958. Headquarter of Civil Defence Academy of Pakistan is located in Lahore. The headquarter of Civil Defence Academy of Pakistan is located in Lahore. Thanks.